passive income online. Way number one to make passive income is to start a blog. So many people underestimate the power of creating and running a blog. But every single day, someone starts a blog and then people quit on their blog. But here's the difference between the people who are actually making money and the ones who aren't. The first thing is you have to have something to sell on your blog. So if you don't have a way to monetize it, which there's definitely a lot of different ways that you can do that. You can do that through running ads on your blog. You can have sponsored posts. You can do affiliate marketing. The first thing you have to do is you have to have a way to actually make money. Now, the next thing you have to do is learn how to drive traffic to your blog. Most people, when they start out blogging, all they do is rely on Google and the search engines to be found. And unfortunately, that's not a very fast way to grow a blog and start making money. The fastest way to drive traffic to a brand new blog is by using social media. You can use things like YouTube, Pinterest, and Facebook to drive traffic to your blog, where we talked about you have it monetized through different ways. Then you can actually start making money from your blog. Way number two to make passive income online is to sell ebooks. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can actually sell ebooks. And the first way is something that we talked about already, and that is through a blog. If you have traffic coming to your blog from social media, you can monetize that traffic by selling an ebook on your blog. Now, the other way that you can sell an ebook is through Amazon Kindle Publishing. This is an amazing way that you can go on the Kindle platform using Amazon's amazing platform. You can write an ebook, get it published there 100% free, and start making passive residual income from that ebook. The third way that you can make passive income online is to create and sell video courses. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. You can do this through what I call a community-based video platform, and there's a website called Udemy where you simply create the course, you upload the videos, and they take care of the rest for you. Another website just like this is a website called Skillshare. It's the same exact concept where you create the course, you upload it, and that's all you have to do, and you can start making passive income. Now, another way that you can make money by selling courses is to actually use a different platform or host your own courses. Now, there's a website called Teachable that allows you to create and upload your courses to their platform, and then you can start selling your courses. But the difference is that you're responsible for the marketing. But don't underestimate the power of selling online courses. There are, in fact, millionaires being made every single day by selling digital products online. Now let's talk about passive income way number 4, which is selling products on Amazon. Now, this is a little bit different than selling a digital product like an online course. This is selling actual physical products, and you do this by using Amazon's platform called Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. And what happens is you're going to go to a manufacturer who actually creates whatever it is that you're trying to sell, and they're going to ship it to the Amazon warehouses. Now, when someone buys a product from your Amazon store, Amazon will go ahead and fulfill that by sending it to your customers for you. Amazon FBA is really awesome because you don't have to even touch the products yourself. You don't have to store them in a warehouse. Everything is done through the manufacturer like Alibaba.com, and then they're shipped to a warehouse at Amazon, and everything is hands off. The 5th way to make passive income online is by creating a niche website. Now, this is where you're going to create a website around a specific niche or topic, and you're going to create a bunch of content inside this niche to attract people to that website. One way that you can make money with niche websites is through affiliate programs like Amazon, or like we talked about before, is you can actually create your own courses inside of that niche. This is a really powerful way to make money inside of specific niches, and there's a lot of profitable niches that you can still tap into right now. The 6th way to make passive income online is to create a review website. Now, one way to do this is, yes, of course, you can monetize a review website with affiliate links through Amazon. But another way that you can do this is to also niche down. So just like before, in a specific niche, do reviews on different softwares. You can actually sign up to a lot of different softwares for free, become an affiliate of those softwares, and then do reviews on your website, where then if someone does purchase the product, you make a commission. A review website is an amazing way to make money. A lot of times when people are looking for reviews, when they actually type in review website or product review, those are buyer keywords, and the reason that they're doing that is because they have buyer's intent, and they may just be looking for that last warm fuzzy before they pull the trigger and buy the product. If you get your website in front of them and they purchase through your affiliate link, guess what? You make the commission. The seventh way to make passive income online is by selling stock photography. There's a lot of different websites where you can actually upload your pictures to and start making money by selling them. One website is called Shutterstock, and this is just an example of many different websites that you can upload pictures to. The reason this is so cool is because when you upload that picture, then it's passive income from that point on. The eighth way to make passive income online, and how I personally made $2,500 in one day, is through high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing is similar to normal affiliate marketing, with the exception that you're not making small commissions. You're making commissions that pay out anywhere between $500 on the low end and $10,000 on the high end. This is a great business model if you want to take affiliate marketing to the next level, where you get it to the point where it can be a full-time income. When I first got into affiliate marketing, I started promoting low-end products, and I made thousands of dollars doing it that way. But when I found high-ticket affiliate marketing, I did less promotion, less work, and made more money. The bottom line is, with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can make bigger commissions for the same amount of work. Now, if you want to go deeper into high-ticket affiliate marketing and how to grow a solid business online, I'm going to give you guys my free ebook called Affiliate Marketing Riches. And inside this ebook, I go through 8 steps on how to grow and scale your own online business that makes passive income. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and that you learned some new ways that you can start making passive income this year. If you like this video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. And of course, if this is your first time here on Freedom Influencer and you want to get more videos from me, just simply go down and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get more videos from me in the future. This is Nathan with freedominfluencer.com, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.